Hello, my name is Thomas Campbell. I'm the owner of Pitmaster Essentials. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I thought I would fire up my Hasty Bake Legacy, and we're going to actually cook something a little bit different. So we're going to actually make tacos with a little bit of a barbecue twist on it, and it's going to be a quick and easy meal for busy families like myself. And so what we're going to be using is, this is a beef skirt steak that I had from a beef we had processed last year. It's a little over a pound. And I've never cooked beef skirt steak before, so this will be a new experience for both of us. So for the barbecue twist, I'm going to use Butcher Barbecue Sweet Chipotle Rub. This is a fantastic rub for beef, pork, pretty much anything. It's very sweet, and it has a little bit of heat on the back end, but it's not too much. So give me just a few minutes, and I'll bring you in a little bit closer and show you how to prepare the beef skirt steak. Okay folks, welcome back. So we're going to go ahead and get the beef skirt steak out of the packaging. Okay, so there's the skirt steak all stretched out. It's actually quite a bit thicker down here than I thought it was. So we're just going to pat this guy off. Okay, so we got it patted down. As far as any kind of trimming, I don't know that I really need to trim much. There's a little bit of fat right there, but I think it's going to be good. Since it's so long, I think what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut it in half. So that way it'll make it a little bit more manageable, because we're going to cook this hot and fast, and I anticipate this cook will probably take less than 10 minutes. Okay, so like I said, we're going to go with Butcher Barbecue Sweet Chipotle. And we're just going to hit it really nice and light. I'm not going to put a ton of seasoning on there. And again, you always want to press the rub into the meat. So this side here doesn't have a fat cap on it, so I'm going to hit it a little bit heavier. Okay, and that's pretty much it for our seasoning. So now I'm going to set these off to the side and let them rest. I'll bring you back here in just a few minutes whenever we get the grill fired up and ready to go. Okay, so I want to show a couple things that I have set up here. You see me in my videos where I use the Butcher Barbecue disposable cutting boards, and that's these guys here. These things are fantastic because, as you can see, it contains the majority of my mess, and it also has edges where you can fold up the edges like this, even though I didn't fold up the edges. But the greatest thing about these disposable cutting boards is whenever you're done, the cleanup is super simple. You literally fold it over like that, fold it up, and I always put a couple paper towels underneath to keep it from slipping. And then as far as cleanup goes, that's it. So anyways, I'll put a link in the description below for those, but I just want to show you how quick and easy the cleanup was. Okay folks, welcome back. So we're out here at the grill, and I have my charcoal chimney full of B&B competition charcoal briquettes. So I'm going to get it lit. So we're going to give that about 15 minutes, and I'll bring you back whenever it's time to put the skirt steak on the grill. Okay folks, and welcome back. So we're out here at the grill. The Legacy hood temp is showing about 310, 320 degrees. The skirt steaks smell amazing. That Butcher Barbecue Sweet Chipotle rub is just, oh, it just smells so good. One thing I noticed is the smaller piece of the skirt steak is actually really thin. So I anticipate these will only probably cook for maybe 2.5, 3 minutes on each side. I know that guy probably will, the thicker one. So let's get these on the grill and get them cooking. Okay, so we got our beef skirt steaks on the grill here. So I'm going to close it up and give it about 3 minutes and I'll bring you back. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes, so let's take a look at them and see how they're looking. Okay, so the smaller one is definitely cooking faster. So we're going to get him flipped. Oh yeah, look at those char marks, little mylar action on that. They smell incredible. Oh yeah, these are going to make some delicious tacos. So we're going to give them another 3 minutes and I'll bring you back. Okay, so it's been about another minute. I wanted to bring you back here because I don't want to overcook that smaller skirt steak. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so I think I'm going to call that one done. So I'm going to pull it off to rest, but I'm going to leave the thicker one on there to cook longer. Okay folks, it's been another couple minutes, so let's take a look at that thicker one and see how it's looking. Oh yeah, he's looking good. I'm going to double check here, and I'm just going to temp check it to make sure he's coming up to temp. It's only about 99, so we're going to give him a few more minutes. Okay folks, it's been another couple minutes, so let's take a look and see how the bigger one's looking. Okay, that one's looking pretty good, so I'm going to call that done. Okay folks, and welcome back to the kitchen. So let me tell you, these beef skirt steaks have been resting for about 15 minutes and the whole kitchen just smells just fantastic. So I can't wait to get into these. So let's take a look at them. I think we're going to go with the smaller one. Okay, so one thing I forgot to mention is that these are very fibrous or grainy, however you want to refer to it. So the grain, the muscle grain, the fibers actually go this way. So what I think we're going to do is we're going to cut them into chunks. Kind of like that. And then spin it the opposite direction, and then we're going to cut against the grain. And look at that, beautiful. Okay, so let's build our taco. Let's grab a couple pieces of beef skirt steak here. Okay, so I'm gonna go with a little bit of sour cream on mine here. I don't have any tomatoes, so I'm gonna go with a little bit of salsa. I think it'll pair great with that sweet chipotle rub. A little bit of lettuce. And a little bit of shredded cheese. All right, let's get into it, see how we did. So again, this is a fantastic meal to do whenever you have a busy family, because we got a lot going on this evening. Took less than 10 minutes once we got it cooking. So let's see how we did. Now that is a great taco. With that butcher barbecue sweet chipotle rub, got a little bit of a kick on the back end, but pair that with the salsa, a little bit of sour cream on there, just absolutely fantastic. Okay, so with all that being said, let me know in the comments below, have you ever tried to grill or smoke beef skirt steak before? I know there's an option to smoke it like a brisket, but like I said, we got a lot going on this evening, so I decided to go the hot and fast method. So anyways, I look forward to hearing your comments. And so I thank you for watching the video this far. Please like, share, and subscribe. And also remember, Pitmaster Essentials is where flavor meets smoke. And I'll see you in the next one.